Namaste. Everyone on globe are annoyed from COVID-19. Nature knows how to balance itself. Nature have given every human being alarm and reset their mind. Thus everyone have to rethink about this situation. We all are sitting at home due to lockdown. These days are mainly housebound uncertainty. We are happy with the family. We are healthy. We are humbled. We have to accept the situations. We have no control over the situations. Let go of any thoughts of trying to plan much for the life. Things are changed so fast. Everything will become okay by the grace of God. Do not be angry and annoyed at the system of nature. Anxiety goes down. We can make the best of the situations, whatever that might be for us. Accept that this is what it is, and things will get easier later on. Try not to listen or watch too much news media. It will drive you crazy. We have seen so many ups and downs of people's life during the lockdown. The world is standstill. Many people life is changing dramatically. For whole world, the more severe situation is turned around. Everybody is pushed back. Let us feel hope and courage during this difficult time. It's important for us to look after our physical and mental health. We need to eat a healthy and nutritious diet which will help our immune system to function properly. Exercise daily for 1 hour, physical activities. Find an exercise video online, download, dance to music, do some yoga or walk ups and down. It's normal to feel stressed, confused, and scared during this crisis. Talk to your friends, trust in God, support other people in your community, check on neighbors, family, and friends. Listen to music, read a book, or play game. COVID-19 had taken so much from us, but the lockdown time given us something special, the opportunity to come together as one human being, to work together, to learn together, appreciate this enforced downtime. When do you ever have time like this? We will miss it when we go back to the fast paced speed of the real world later. Time goes fast. We can appreciate so many incredible things happened during this lockdown. We have learned to live simple life without demanding much. We have learned to live without fast food. Heart attack is completely prevented. We have forgotten all the illness except corona, that is COVID-19. We have all become superheroes and are praying, offering gratitude to everyone around us. Social responsibility. The annoying honking noise have been replaced with the birds chirping, trees waving, and leaves rattling. The earth is healing. we have realized that health is the real wealth and prevention is far better than cure. That is the first teaching of Ayurveda. We have become self-conscious about cleanliness, hygiene, and probably have time to collect long forgotten hobbies. We have developed a habit of keeping a check on the latest news and stay updated with the world and social awareness, and together we stand as a whole world. We actually are spreading all the informations about the situations. We actually are spending quality time with family and encouraging friends to stay safe, plus social distancing and family time. We have slept few extra hours and woke up without worrying about busy schedules. No mini panic attack we get due to early morning alarms. We have given the much needed space and time for the nature to heal itself and for us. Skies seems to be clearer. We have temporarily paused the generation of air pollutions and smoke clouds up there. We have saved huge quantity of fuels, petrol, diesel, while we are not out for a ride. Give your realizations. If you like this video, then share this video to your friends, dear one, and all the people known to you. Thank you. Ram Ram, Radhe Radhe, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.